We stand at a great moment in history when renewable energy, including solar PV, ends fossil fuels' climate damage and drain of wealth. Reaching the scale of solar needed to save the planet requires accelerating installation at 30% annual growth or greater. Current methods cannot achieve this, especially in a full employment market. We bring PV Robotics, PV installation automation for the fastest and lowest cost solar installation possible. Over 50% lower installation cost and 10 times faster, enough for real climate action with very well-paid crews, unlike Installation Now. PV Robotics is a factory in a self-deploying 40-foot shipping container to build arrays directly from component materials at maximum quality, including semi-autonomous crawlers to carry completed array sections and material around any site. We have some elements of this complex system functioning. The robotic crawlers are in development at UNCA's Mechatronics Engineering Department with a great expert team. We could install our first beta test site in about 6 months with funding. PV Robotics is initially for utility-scale solar, but will ultimately install vast floating and carport solar as well. We only have 11 years to save the planet with real climate action. PV Robotics will meet that climate challenge by dramatically growing solar PV. Please support this significant innovation.